Okay, it's all back together now. All the screws are in. Won't fall apart on me. Got some water in here. Time to fill it up. Kind of leaking at the back, but that's in case if you pour too much water in. Now it's time to plug it in. God, I hope I don't blow the fuse again. Just gotta put the camera down. On. There we go. Hopefully this thing will make a full pot. Let's open the top and see what's going on. Oh, shouldn't open that while it's making steam. Don't know if it should be doing that really slowly though. I guarantee you can cook an egg on this thing. Just take the glass thing out and then just put an egg on there and see if you can cook it. Guarantee it will work. There's no more steam in there. I wonder what's going on. Oh, there we go. It's been 21 minutes now, and it's only a half a pot of coffee. So that dirty water in that. I think that is dirty water. I don't know what that is. I put clean water in here already. I think that's from all the cleaning and stuff. But it's not even a full pot yet. And I know some people who have a coffee maker just like this one. Like no different. Same model, same look and style. They said that if they want to make a full pot of coffee, it only takes 15 minutes to complete it. Like to complete a full brew, it only takes 15 minutes. Well, now it's 22 minutes, so it's kind of taken a long time. You saw in my previous video that I disassembled the top part and cleaned out the filter and the tubes and the little steam head thing. I found a little bit of crap on it, but not as much. And I thought by doing it that way would fix this coffee maker and get working again. This coffee maker isn't garbage, but if you're a type of person who's not in a hurry and not in a rush to go anywhere, this is a coffee maker for you. I'm that type of person that's not in a rush to go anywhere or to quickly get something done. So I wouldn't mind having an awesome coffee maker like this, but if I were to have friends over and if I want to make a quick pot of coffee, I'd have to pull out my white one behind that box. So I have a total of 2 coffee makers. Gee, I don't know about this, but I'm starting to realize something. I don't know if I'm starting to become a hoarder or something, because people who hoard stuff can't let go of it, and who wants to let go of an awesome stainless steel black coffee maker that looks brand new, except for the slow brewing though. But like I said, if you're not that type of person who's quick to go somewhere, you can use this thing. So yeah, I've did everything to it. I've tried cleaning it. I've tried everything to make this thing brew faster, and it doesn't. There's only two things it's useful for. One is brewing coffee, but a very slow one, or you could cook an egg on the burner. That burner right there. And I'll show you guys how hot this burner is, and I'm pretty sure it's enough to cook an egg. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the release valve with this pen. That's how hot this thing is. So doing that, don't worry, this is a waterproof flashlight. You can definitely cook an egg on that. I wouldn't really recommend it to anyone if they were going to do that, but you could if you want to. Get a sock there and just put that one out, because I don't want to wreck it. There. So, that's it for this video. On to the next thing. Or next project.